Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to block a member on your group chats on Messenger. Easy and quick. First click on your group and now click here, and here you will find block a member. Click on it. Here choose any member of your group chats and click on it, and here block on Messenger, and that's it. That's how to block a member on your group chat on your Messenger. Easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.